Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can use the web capture feature to take screenshots on Microsoft Edge. So let us dive into this right away. So launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, and there are basically three different ways how you can take screenshots here of your display or in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So the first option would be to use the built-in web capture / screenshot feature. You may enable it by clicking on these three dots in the top right corner of your Edge web browser, by hovering a mouse over more tools here, and by selecting screenshot from that menu to the left. That's the first option. Alternatively, guys, you may use, and that's option number 2, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-S. So let's do that really quickly. That is going to open up that web capture feature here. So as you can see, the cursor will switch to a cross icon like this. So what you want to do is simply highlight the area you would like to take a screenshot of. So let me go with that tower here. Left click, hold your left mouse and drag a bounding box like this. Release your left mouse and that is going to take the screenshot. Now you can copy it, save it in JPEG format on your device, for example, or do a visual search. So let me save it, for example, and you will see the downloaded photo or image or screenshot here in the top right corner in your download files. There you go. So that's option number 2. And the third option, guys, would be to simply use a shortcut or a key on your keyboard that is associated with printing, for example. That may, of course, vary depending on the manufacturer of your keyboard and the type of keyboard you're using. But for me, it is the printing key. It is next to F12. So if I press it, I will be automatically taking a screenshot of the entire display. So to give you a proof of that, guys, let me head over to Paint and paste it in here. As you can see, that's my screenshot. So as you can see, I can, for example, zoom out and crop it, trim it, and cut out parts and so on and so forth. So for me, it's printing next to F12 on my keyboard at the very top in the top row. It may be another for you, but simply investigate your keyboard and check if it features any of these keys. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.